For me, nothing's more important than my family. And I'm always wondering if my daughter, if she's naughty today, or if she already did her homework. But when I'm curious about that, what she's doing alone in her room, Zosi is the perfect partner for me. Here, you can full screen, you can zoom to watch the details of her room from wherever you are. And here you can straight away save the videos to your phone. Usually I like to screenshot some funny moments of my family. Additionally, you can play and back recordings again and again if you want. Zosi is so friendly for all kinds of family.
Want to know whether the kid eats breakfast on time after you go to work? Miss your kitten when you're on a business trip? Wondering if grandma can take care of herself well in her single apartment? Have no idea what happened to your property when you enjoy the vacation? All these problems can be resolved easily if you have Zosi security camera system. All you need to do is take out mobile phone and open Zosi Smart app, which can be downloaded in Google Play or App Store.